First, we draw a rectangle and don't lock the aspect ratio and set the size is 20 and 20. Click Apply, pick Put Origin in order. The rectangle is placed in the middle. Select the rectangle and click Hatch. Mark contour. When checked, the graphic outline can be marked. This icon means mark contour after hatch, and this means mark contour before hatch. Hatch 1, 2, and 3. Check Enable. You can adjust the parameter or it can be adjusted. Like OK, follow edge on, cross hatch, angle, pen number, everything. The same 2 and 3. You can check 2, you can check 3, you can check 1, and you can check all of them. Next, let's take a look at OK. Draw a circle near the rectangle. Pick and select these two shapes and check OK. Set line speed to 1 mm. The filling line inside the circle and rectangle are aligned. You can see every line are aligned one by one. Uncheck OK and hatch again. The filling line inside the circle and rectangle are staggered. Yeah, every line are staggered. Okay, now we delete the circle. Select the rectangle. Next is follow edge on. It refers to the edge of the filling line. It's different from contour. Contour means the contour of the rectangle, and edge means the edge of the filling line. The next is the demonstration. Filling property of the shape will appear on the left, and the hatch button above will become unavailable. We set the edge offset to 1 mm. Okay. The inner line is H, and the distance of two lines is 1 mm. The outer line is contour. Uncheck follow edge on and click Apply. Let's say okay, the edge is disappeared. Uncheck mark contour. And the contour is disappeared. Okay, we set the edge offset to 0 and apply. Let's see all field types and take a demonstration. Okay. This one is from left to right and up, from right to left. The beginning and end are contact. And this is the same, but it can scale blank area. This one is from left to right and left to right again. Apply, and this is from left to right and right to left and again. And this is some rectangle and from outer to inner. Yeah. Okay. And here is the demonstration. Three, four, rectangle. Okay. The next is cross-hatch. It means hatch twice and the angle is 45 degrees. Let's see. Yes, it's like this. And we set the angle to 45 degrees and apply. Okay. And now we click cross hatch. Okay. Hatch twice and 90 degrees. Now we create a new text. Okay. We need the check lock when resizing. No, we did wrong. Yeah, so we delete, do it again. And the lock. Yes. Click this button. It will set the text to middle, and it's the only area you can see. Hatch. Okay, the hatch will appear on the left and top of the hatch. It's different from graphic hatch, right? The graphic hatch, the top button is unavailable. Click pen number, you can choose required layer. Click here. Each layer corresponds to a set of adjustable parameters. Uncheck here and set loop count to 2 in the pen 0. No, 4 is better. And click mark. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And contour. There is a count on the left also. And set count to 3 on this one. No, the marking count is 3 times, 4 times, or 12 times. You can guess this. And let's mark. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and contour. Yeah, it's 3 times. And this is the ruler. Let's say the line space is 1 millimeter now. The distance is 1 millimeter, and we set it to 0.1 millimeter. Small. Now it's 0.01 millimeter. You can see nothing but black. Now you can see them after amplification. It's very small distance. And the average distribute line. Uncheck it and apply. Seems nothing different. But now we set this to 0.7 millimeter, and you can see small gaps up and down if uncheck it. Yeah, small gap. We check it yearly. Edge offset means the distance from the filling lines to contour. Like this, 1 millimeter, and we set it 2 millimeter. Yes, and start offset mean the distance from the beginning of filling lines to contour. We set it to 1 millimeter. It's like this. It's not a brush. So we set it to 2 millimeter. Yeah, it's like this. This distance is 2 millimeter. And the end offset means the distance from the end of filling line to contour. 2 millimeter. Okay. Line reduction. Set it to 2 millimeter. It's like this. The left and the right. And it's 4. Number loops and the loop distance. The count of the edge of filling lines and the distance of them. We set the number loop to 2, and the distance is 0.5 millimeter. Yeah, now we set this is 3. The number loop is 3.